the top news headlines. CM Biren urges corporate world for injecting investment for growth of Manipur. Court finally releases all 14 Babysana JC members. And Jelerung village in Peren district of Nagaland under attack. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by HARIPRIYA. Now the news in details. The Manipur government in association with Ford Manson Global hosted the first ever Manipur Corporate Social Responsibility Conclave today at the City Convention Centre, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Governor Dr. Nachma Haptullah, Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit and a host of dignitaries attended the conclave, during which the Chief Minister called on the corporate world to give special impetus on injecting investment for the growth of the state and express hope for positive commitment from them. Representatives of 70 companies firms took part in the event. The Manipur Chief Minister expected large-scale CSR investment in Manipur. Biren Singh during the CSR conclave also highlighted on Manipur's overall transformation and development witnessing in the past few years and pointed out the importance of the state vis-a-vis the East Policy and Asian Highway number 1 and 2 connecting other Asian countries with India, which pass through Manipur. Biren Singh also asserted that the state has boundless locations that attract tourists. He further highlighted on several key projects already taken up by the government and also other projects which are in the pipeline.
Manipur, the land gateway of India to Southeast Asia, is the best located state to take advantage of this international commitment. You are aware that the Northeast region endowed with rich cultural and natural is now seen as the new engine of growth. We welcome the corporate world with open arms to invest in Manipur. We assure that your capital remains safe and productive. When I began my speech, I said Manipur has been on the wrong side of the news. I look forward to the corporate community for placing us on the right side of the news.
CSR expert Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee, Managing Director of IRG Systems South, Amit Jain, Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu, Additional Chief Secretaries Suhail Akhtar and Muhammad Khan, Principal Secretary of Textile, Commerce and Industry P. Baifei also attended the event. Talking on the sidelines of the event, CSR expert Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee underlined the importance of holding CSR conclave. He added that around 10 lakh companies in India extend support to various sectors under CSR.
We are now trying to work on a path that will bring states like Manipur to be helped by the law. And without doubt, this initiative, this historic initiative, starting here, where in the East we are located, such a wonderful place to begin. So much encouragement and acceptance from the state government.
All 14 members of N. Babysana Joint Action Committee have been released by an order of Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West today, ruling that the evidence in the final report supported by the investigating officer of the case was insufficient. They were arrested by police during the height of the agitation launched against the Manipur government seeking justice in the suspicious death of N. Babysana. It may be noted that the same court had earlier granted bail to 2 members of the JAC firm in the connection to the death of Babysana. Sagolsem Basantikumar and Thingam Chittaranjan. They were released after paying PR bond of 75,000 and 1 surety respectively. The court order stated that all 14 accused are discharged and all bonds executed in the case are discharged and cancelled. Police officials have confirmed that some unidentified groups fired blank rounds at a newly established Lamhai Nandi village, which is said to be an unrecognized village of Jelarong tribe under parent district of Nagaland. According to officials, the incident happened around 4 this morning when some unidentified groups came and started firing blank rounds at the village, after which few villagers fled the village in fear. There are no reports of any casualties. The unidentified group also burned down and destroyed a few huts, including the church which was built by the villagers. The officials informed that the Jelarong tribe have set up a new unrecognized village on the parent district, which is opposed by Western Sumi tribe. The entire incident is related to a land dispute between the Jelarong and Western Sumi, which started a few months back. The state government had also issued an order not to establish any village there. The police and officials are on the spot and investigation are on. No arrest has been made so far. Further details are awaited. Police arrested 2 drugs dealers along with narcotic drugs worth around rupees 3.4 crore in the Laithabi multi-purpose project area in Imphal East yesterday. A police report said today that acting on a tip-off, the operation was carried out by a combined team of Imphal West Commando led by Jamander A. Sundar Singh under the supervision of Deputy Superintendent of Police, Imphal East, Hirojit Singh. The arrested were identified as Sailal Tauthang, aged 35 years, son of Hengam Tauthang of Phaijang village, Saikul and Haukomang Khongsai, aged 30 years, son of Songhao Khongsai of Namphal village, Saikul. The police recovered 1 and 840 grams of brown sugar, 9 kg of opium, 2 Honda Activa scooters and a mobile handset from their possession. The arrested along with the seized items were later handed over to Sagolbang police station for further legal action. Zimbabwe's former president Robert Mugabe has died at the age of 95. The country's president Emmerson Mnangagwa said on his official Twitter account, Mugabe died in Singapore, where he has often received medical treatment in recent years. Mnangagwa announced the death of Zimbabwe's founding father and former president Robert Mugabe. Mugabe was feted as an African liberation hero and champion of racial reconciliation when he first came to power in a nation divided by nearly a century of white colonial rule. Nearly 4 decades later, many at home and abroad denounce him as a power-obsessed autocrat willing to unleash death squads, rig election and trash the economy in the relentless pursuit of control. Mugabe was ultimately ousted by his own armed forces in November 2017. A grand felicitation program for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency MP Dr. Lorho S. and Executive Member ADC Tamenglong G. Apuikhui was held today at 22 Rengpang Sekmang District Council Constituency Common Ground. The grand event was attended by hundreds of people, including church leaders, village authority members, students, youth leaders of social organizations. Colorful cultural items were also presented by Rengpang residents on the occasion. NPF Manipur State Unit President Awangbo Nyomai and Tamenglong ADC Chairman Namsin Reipan may also attend the function. A one-day awareness program was organized by Thaubal College on the theme Child Marriage and its Evil Effects at the conference hall of Thaubal College today. Child Marriage Prohibition Officer, Social Welfare Department Rina Chanu Moirang team spoke on the ill effects of child marriage as resource person. More than 100 representatives from Thobal College and other departments attended the program. Now time for a short break, but coming up next, NEFIP reaffirms to oppose Citizenship Amendment Bill. More after the break.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi maho kangla bada ngauroi do kana bu nei bagi kangla.
Welcome back. As a part of the first Federal Assembly for Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, NEFIP, starting from 4th of September till September 6th, a press meet was held at the Mizoram Press Club in Aizawl today. NEFIP during the meet passed a list of resolutions like reaffirming to oppose Citizenship Amendment Bill and any other legislation in regards to keep an influx of illegal immigrants, NEFIP to support the demand for implementation of ILP and all alike legislation by the Northeast states, to appeal for implementation of NRC and similar laws under the respective State Assembly of Northeast and others. On completion of 1 year since the decriminalizing of Article 377, the LGBTIQ communities across the nation commemorated the day. Ya Ol Manipur, which is a network for LGBTIQ communities based at Maitram, Imphal, distributed eatable items to children of Yaibiril Children Home at KB in Imphal East to mark the occasion. Talking to TOMTV, chairman of Ya Ol, Sadam Hanjabam, expressed his happiness over decriminalizing of Article 377.
Penal Code the homosexuality decriminalized to gibagi chahi amagi anniversary moina India gi sinmathona celebration tawnari ngasi yaol gi site gi khoina celebration to bugi mohotta ngasi gi children home jira laaga makhoi gi chahi angang 15 mu grant kem phangdana government gi support kem phangdana leiba angang gi siga khoina interaction tawraga makhoi gi ahan gi siga haktang wari sanajaraga makhoi gi kari kari khoina mating pangba ngamgadagi haina lakchabani khoi gi angam bangasi gi oina ri chana thangna angang singjigi khara ngasi piramaga khoi ngha wari ahan gi ga wari sanaraga khoi celebration just maina dum pangthok jare.
On the other hand, chairman of Yaibilen Children Home, Jugindro, lauded Ya Ol for its noble gestures and wished the network a grand success in future endeavor.
Home Makak or Miki Eram to Pangdana, Mui Karana, Bilingi Mu Kramiang, we think one Pugimiang, we think one Sina, Hingbo Home Malay Bese, Masi Kitang Kangan Bese, Aduga Mayam, Mating, Pun Masi, Ecoginate, Ecodisum, some Pubni, Ibo Mayam, Yari, Ibo in a harbor, Yard, Ecogi, Chiki Membaro, Birga, Tabak Puminus, in a quay Haridi. Our Kangan, why we couldn't talk with us, Mr. Levakini, Kodangam, Bakara Ngang. Mang kita bukan keradang, kau angamba, mangal setara jani dorso. Aku kata tahu ni, aku komjil laga, lakul laga, kungul laga, mau kita mai singna baina, kau na hono sebani, ada macam macam na, segi mating se, pangbi bisa kau yang nungai, matung tu se pangbi rakan aku, kan sebeli.
The Forest Department and residents of Tekcham Sabalekai jointly planted 3 saplings at Tekcham area, Thoubal district today. The participant promised to take care of the sapling till they are fully grown. Deputy Ranger of Thoubal Forest Division M. Biren Singh, Bit Officer of Forest Bit Office, Palil Mohammad Salahuddin, President of Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee, WBCC Manipur, Rabita Khelambam, Honorary Wildlife Warden of Forest Division W. Ramchandra Singh and staff of Thoubal Forest Range took part in the program. Former ward member of Tekcham Sabalekai Gram Panchayat, P.H. Ibomsa, who led the program, said that every individual who planted the saplings need to take care of the saplings planted today.
Direct haitare sigi ni sagai tau tarekna pagi sigi haitare da usar pagi ai ngasa khan kar pagi matang da pena usar kara haitare na oi tham palengi dio.
Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, Chinikon, Senapati District celebrated Teachers' Day at its premises today. Talking on the sidelines of the function, former President of ICHAM N. Rajendru differentiated the past and present teacher-student relationship. He also emphasized on the need to maintain good relationship between teachers and students, saying this will help move the society ahead.
Kengoi hega peruk hega kobi yolaga imana second sex subu salaga ngasi ekoi mafam sida tharai bani ima baba du na yumda le ekoi na hankhraga ima baba du da ekoi na karam khudol tawguda ge se na koi khal kan yana puming changna marakta nangi sedul loidring aida phaina sakhiba lana sakhiba wari ma lok sangama lejar ma hingon ma chekra lejar ma do badok thamerga lo yolega na koi ngasi mafam sita na thilai bane ba adu ngasi dia ikut mobile ma paire laptop ma paire ayum na gi thole ai gi tamam tong ga he adum tangmani ai chawra ga yum pala ga saga em gom khigdo buni hai gi wakal da tawr ga sak khibna ayam boy du ngasi di lahori ba ai gi khumang da lahori ba ba ma du karma thium da lehowi adu gi mati awa ai sidai jage ai mayam da makok thongna ai nangasi heitam mise oja jin sing makha pon heitam mise sidai jage makok thongna sat kharga chahi ma tor so ani dor so ai gi lemo yo puchi sinai gi baba ma nangasi kengoi hega peru hega wakal do kopi na tor kan am tang ni makoi su nunga henge na khallo matam na koi mi kok thongna mi wer kane ba.
The Directorate of Ayush, Lamphilpat State Ayush Society, Manipur and Rayotang Simwa Organization under the supervision of Public Health Outreach Activity National Ayush Mission organized a one-day free Ayush health camp at Rayotang Ukhrul District today. Senior homeopathy physician Dr. Palmai Khai, homeopathy physician Dr. P. Iboton, Ayurvedic apprentice Dr. L. Suraj Sharma, pharmacist of Directorate of Ayush Y. Santikumar, M. Surchandra and staff nurse O. Joyenba attended the camp held under the supervision of Deputy Director of Directorate of Ayush, Dr. S. Vishwanath. 200 residents were examined and treated during the camp, who also got free medicines. Homeopathy physician Dr. P. Voton said the free camp was conducted as a part of ongoing public health outreach activity program taken up by the Directorate of Ayush. He further said that the free health camp has been conducted in various parts of Imphal East, Imphal West and Bishnupur and Thoubal districts.
Hariba free health camp asida tongan makhangi anaba sahum lomda masigi mari leinaba tongan mahidak sing lemna piduna dang atasing phangali. Hariba health care masi National Ayush Mission ki public health outreach activity hariba program adu makha sinjabani hariba public health outreach activity ke masi Manipuri tonga bazela sing maru in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Sandel, Churachampur amadi Tamelong ki tonga mapam chungi chakaduna lakre. Hariba health care masi makha tan ukul amadi Tamelong ki tonga district sing dasu mapam chungi dasu hariba ke masi makha tan chakaduna Ayush ki tonga layeng bigyan asigi kana basi miyam da pangantuna lakigani.
Chairman of Rayota Simba Organization, Johnson Chifang, thanked the Director of Ayush for the free health camp.
Ayush Department Director of Imphal Lamphel Park na ekoi Leo Dangshim Organization na ekoi gi team na masida ekoi na kaubam dam da harau na lakbiba gi damak da ekoi na Director of Lamphel da harau ba nungsiba pongthok jari.
As part of the National Nutrition Mission Month, Rashtriya Poshan Ma, September 2019, the District Health Society, District Program Officer and Integrated Child Development Services Cell, Thoubal have jointly organized a one-day awareness program on nutrition, cleanliness, health, hygiene and sanitation at Lilong Hangam Thabi Community Hall today. Chief Medical Officer of Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayantik Kumar, Sub-Deputy Collector of Thoubal Headquarter, Rima Haubam, Thoubal District Social Welfare Officer A. Kameshwar, SDC of Lilong Muhammad Hefajuddin, District Information Officer of Thoubal, Ngamlam Dongen, and State Nodal Officer Quality and Blood, Dr. L. Tomta Kun, attended the program. Dr. N. Jayantik Kumar lauded the Center for implementing the Nutrition Month based on health and hygiene. He urged everyone to take maximum benefit from such awareness on the month-long Nutrition Mission program. Rima Haubam also urged each and everyone during the program to maintain good hygiene. District Program Manager of Thoubal, C.H. Basanta Singh, District Child Protection Unit Thoubal, Rina Chanu, and K. Anita attended the program as resource person and delivered speeches on health awareness topics. Vegetable buyers from different parts of Imphal today throng temporary Mao market set at Hicham Yai Champat, Yai School, Imphal. Mao vegetable temporary market set has been opening since the past few weeks in the different parts of the Imphal under the aegis of International and Social Advancement IPSA, backed by several civil society organizations. More than 50 vegetable stalls from Mao were put up at the market set. Mao under Senapati district borders Nagaland. District level offices of Thoubal was held yesterday at the conference hall of DC office Thoubal. During the meeting chaired by Thoubal Deputy Commissioner N. Bandana Devi, various schemes on Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, Posan Ma Abhiyan, 7 economic census and others were discussed. Bandana also informed during the meeting that a sensitization workshop meeting on priority sector schemes will be held on 7th September at the conference hall of DC office Thoubal. Now we have another short break. Do stay tuned for Times of Manipur.
Manipur ki ahan ba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahan ba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari ba offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamarol gidamak contact tobiu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited, Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959 natraga 8794613154.
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna lamyanba luching purel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba kunmari suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna Jain Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition sigi form pampamna
AIYF office irawat Bhavan Group Mahalteng Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak singna form tang lobiduna
masida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiyo
aduga masigi competition sin khalaliba sejak singidi amna soba platform mo oidini
Manipur gi nongle inkhalaklibi mahairoi sing isai nongmai yamna pambi singna saruk yabiyo aisu laksegani mayam su lakpiyu
aisu leramduini ko
kunmari suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdam
Welcome back. Bringing laurels to the state, the members of the Shillong Choir have been chosen to perform the patriotic song Vande Mataram during the landing of India's Chandrayaan-2 while it makes touchdown on the moon. Neil Nokringiri, the master of the Shillong Chamber Choir, has composed a piece which will be performed by the Shillong Chamber Choir. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu today ordered the concerned Deputy Commissioner to inspect the incident of Chinese incursion as reported in the media. Pema Khandu said although he has got reports of incursion by Chinese army where a wooden bridge was constructed in remote locations of Anjo district of Arunachal, but confirmation is yet to be made. In a joint operation of the Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF is Gentia Hills Anti-Narcotics Task Force ANTF is Khasi Hills and Clariat Police seized approximately 76,000 YABA tablets commonly known as World is Yours WY tablets. The tablet weighs around 7.85 kg and the consignment is expected to be worth Rs 1 crore in international market. 3 women were apprehended carrying the consignment. They were traveling from Silchar to Shillong, Guwahati in a commercial Tata Sumo vehicle. A case has been registered in Klehariat Police Station for investigation. The Delhi court has finally convicted 4 persons accused in the Nidotania murder case. It is worth recalling that 20-year-old Arunachali youth Nidotania, a first-year student at Lovely Professional University Delhi, died after he had been brutally beaten up by some miscreants in Lajpat Nagar area of New Delhi in 2014, which evoked outrage among activists and students. Politicians of all parties condemn his death and vow to work with activists and students from the Northeast to address their recurring concern of being racially targeted in Delhi and other cities following the incident. On the first anniversary of the historic judgment of the Supreme Court in Navtej Singh Johar case decriminalizing homosexuality, it is pertinent to ask if the Union government has acted on the directions in the judgment for removing the stigma associated with sexual minorities. The judgment of Justice R.F. Nariman had called upon the Union government to take measures to eliminate the stigma associated with sexual minorities. During the last 1 year, the central government was not seen giving wide publicity to the judgment at regular intervals through mass communication media. The center has also not given out any information through official medium regarding programs initiated by it to reduce and eliminate stigma associated with sexual minorities over the past 1 year. Even on the occasion of first anniversary of the verdict, the Union ministries, particularly the Ministry of Law and Justice and Social Justice and Empowerment, are maintaining silence on the topic. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said India will never be an aggressor, but it will not hesitate to use its strength to defend itself. Singh delivered the keynote address today at the Seoul Defense Dialogue, a multilateral security dialogue on building peace together. Challenges and vision. Defense diplomacy is the key pillar of India's strategic toolkit. Defense diplomacy and maintaining strong defense forces are 2 sides of the same coin, Singh said. Though India has never been an aggressor in its history, nor will it ever be, he said, it does not mean that India would bark on using its strength to defend itself. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Private school teachers air woos on Teachers' Day. 11 and 16 years rigorous imprisonment for selling drugs near school. Statement in front of Magistrate Rider. Ginzalam's case settled. Body to be claimed today. LPG Transporters Association on strike mode. INX media case. P. Chidambaram sent to Tihar till September 19th. Imphal Free Press. 8 teachers presented with State Teachers Award. Chief Minister urges teachers to be wary of influences of habitual street protester on students. Court remands Public Works Department engineer Ranjit to 2 days police custody. JAC demands police to take statement in presence of magistrate. Bengalis assemble in Delhi to protest against NRC. The Morning Bell. 2 sentenced to 11 and 16 years rigorous imprisonment respectively for selling drugs near school campus. Don't let students get involved in every protest and strikes, says CM to teachers. KCP Maoist chairman Kanglei Pal formally arrested, remanded to police custody. Chief Minister appeals to Settled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur to withdraw agitation. Militant insurgency in Northeast on the rise, says RN Ravi. The People's Chronicle. Rabi stresses joint effort to tackle Northeast insurgency. State plunges into Rs 1,405 crore deficit. 11 state natives held in drug smuggling cases. Adherence to discipline key to development, says Chief Minister. Victim Compensation Scheme 2019 enforced.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. CM Viren urges corporate world for injecting investment for growth of Manipur. Court finally releases all 14 Babysana JEC members. And Jalarong village in Peran district of Nagaland under attack. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.